Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. It's Broken Joshua right here. Yeah, welcome to Church Design Academy. Alright, I want to show you one of my secrets I use in designing, in making my design look nice. Alright, I use this application Picsart. If you are I've made a video on Picsart before where I explained ways in which you can blend your background in Picsart. Alright, so we'll be using this application for um one of my random design. Let me just check is let me check my random design so we can select one from it. Okay, so okay, I did this. Okay, but let's try to check one I've not even tried at all. Alright, so I've not made an edit on this at all, right? So we'll be making use of this flyer right here, which is for our design challenge going on right now. It's about to start. Alright, so the first thing in making this design look nice is I love to add my lens flare to it. And how do I do that? I go to under, if you see under your the options here, you see add photo, you add your photo, and from there you add a kind of dense flare you've downloaded. And I have one already with me right here. I use one every time in my design tools. All right, under my design tools I use these where is this young, where is this guy? All right, so I try to use one of, okay, this, I use this and just press add. All right, once you press add, it's going to be there. And you go to blend, right, to blend the way it would look. So I love to use screen. Sometimes you might use lightning, but I always love screen. So I'll just have it here with me and have it. You can make it any way you want it. So I think I love it here. And once you press this layer button up here, you see duplicate, then you can duplicate, right? And let me have something else. No, let me have it. All right. Okay, so I think it's kind of making sense, and I can duplicate, and accordingly you can only have 10 of these images added to your design. Okay, so let me see. All right. Okay. Okay, I think I can have it here and just reduce the opacity also. Then I can duplicate again and have it somewhere here. It's gonna make some difference. All right, so and the last one, let me duplicate this, duplicate, and have it somewhere down there, so it makes it look nice. And so one thing I know, and you should understand that when you are working with church backgrounds or church designs, one thing that always make your design look nice is the text effect, the background, and the lens flare if well used. All right, so after setting up that, then I go in, I mark this as already done, already edited. You can see before the design, you can see after the design. And I go to my text effect, I go to my tools. Okay, so and I use adjust. Under adjust, I get to see the brightness, contrast, clarity, saturation, hue, highlight, shadow, and temperature. All right, so I use my clarity well. Okay, I don't do too much, so a little bit is enough. And I'll use my highlight, my shadow. It's gonna darken. Shadow will make will darken the dark areas, and if you increase it, it will give light to the dark areas, just like this. Can you see? But if you reduce it, it's going to darken more of it. Okay, so we have the temperature. I don't really do much of temperature, right? So just leave it at that 8. And we have the brightness. I think the brightness is fine. All right, so this application is very, very good in editing your designs. I strongly advise you use this application, and on light on and also Lightroom. But you're gonna see much of my this is lens flare. This application already have lens flare from the scratch. Lens flares from the scratch that you can use from the application. So I really recommend this application for your use, and also these and also Lightroom, and also some other applications wonderful out there. So as the more we get to explore them, the more I'll begin to show more to you. If this video has been helpful, try to comment below. Let me know if that has been helpful, or if you have one thing you want me to make a video for you on. All right, let me know in the comments below. I would expect your comment. See you another time. God bless you.